What if you could build a powerful shield to defend your cells against the relentless attacks of aging? Every day, your body faces a triple threat. Your cellular energy plummets, inflammatory zombie cells take over, and your DNA is under constant assault. This is the cellular aging crisis. First, we have the NAD plus decline. This master repair molecule can drop by over 50% by middle age, leading to an energy crisis inside your cells and crippling their ability to repair damage. Next, we have the rise of zombie cells. These senescent cells refuse to die and instead release a toxic cocktail of inflammatory signals, spreading damage to healthy tissues around them. But now, there is a comprehensive solution. Immune Defense Shield is a synergistic formula that directly refuels your NAD plus levels, clears out zombie cells, and provides the essential nutrients your body needs to fight back against aging. But that's just a glimpse of what's inside. In the full article on our website, you'll discover a deep dive into the science of NAD plus decline and why it's a central driver of aging. A complete breakdown of the Immune Defense Shield formula, including how quercetin acts as a natural senolytic to clear zombie cells, the synergistic roles of vitamin C, D, K2, and essential trace minerals in supporting your cellular defense, and how to use the formula for optimal results to build your cellular shield. Ready to take control of your cellular health? Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the link in the description below to explore the science behind Immune Defense Shield and get your ultimate partner in cellular defense.